Mic check, mic check. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It is going to be a really crazy day in the markets in the next few days, actually. So I want to make a quick note here. A couple of things. We have massive amounts of earnings reports coming out this week. Let me show you guys that here real quick. I'm going to bring over our room and we're going to talk about the announcements in the room as well. So come down here into our Emini main chat. Let's look at the earnings coming out. So if you ever want to do the command, you should already know this from our training. Look at this, 659 companies are reporting today. Folks, there is going to be some action here, particularly in the final hours of the day, final 30 minutes. Going to be some great opportunities this week. So remember what we talk about here is VIX up, ticks up. This is not just for today though. Look at the schedule for the week. This is, here we are, Tuesday. There's your 659. Look at Wednesday. We start to get even more. And then on Thursday, biggest news week, folks. This is the week. I've told you guys before, like there are, mentally, if you were to prepare yourself and only traded 3 weeks per quarter, meaning those 3 weeks of earnings season when you have the most amount of companies reporting, if you came and only traded 3 weeks each quarter, because remember each quarter is where you have earnings season, once a quarter. If you were trading during that time period, the VIX is typically so high, the volatility is so high that intraday traders like ourselves, we have the most amount of opportunities given to ourselves, and you can literally max out. You could literally not trade the rest of the year, but only those 3 weeks times 4. That means 12 weeks out of the year. Out of 52 weeks, if you traded 12 weeks, you could literally bank and have your whole year taken care of. Think about that. Again, you don't have to only trade those time periods, but what I'm saying is this is bonus time, right? This is sort of in your own businesses. How many work locations do you have an opportunity to get a pay grade update, right, or a pay grade upgrade once a quarter? Wow. Here with trading, you do. Sorry, I'm a little tired this morning. Haven't even had the coffee yet, but we've got a lot of other issues that I want to talk about here this morning. Issues and or questions. We put out an update on unknown to ourselves. I did not mean to do this, but in our most recent update, there is a change to our internal database licensing model due to not really us. NinjaTrader is now integrating with Tradeovate. Next month, you guys are going to see a lot of announcements from NinjaTrader as they integrate Tradeovate. The short answer is this. We've had to put in some changes into our code to be compatible with theirs, and we thought that it was not going to require an update, but yes, it does. So the short answer, if you are having issues here this morning with you're getting a license error issue, it may not actually be a license error. It may just be that you hitting our licensing servers, you are having to have this new update. So you need to get, short answer is this, you need to get version 9.1.6.3. As of today, you will need that. Again, even if you're watching this in the future, you need this or later. You cannot use the old versions. It is forcing you to update. Sorry about that. I would have told you that ahead of time if I had known that was going to happen. There's literally a parameter that has to be passed, and I'd forgotten about that. So now our tech support team, I'm apologizing in advance to our tech support team as well, because we're not prepared for this. But anyhow, we know now you are going to have to update. So make sure you watch this video. I think it's important. You're going to see some of the updates and features, very cool stuff that we've got in there. And this is going to walk through one thing. If you're having problems, even after you've updated, one thing that a lot of people are forgetting to do is uninstall the old versions first, okay? I walked through that in this video, but just if you're trying to shortcut it, I am telling you right now, uninstall the old, install the new, and that should fix all your problems. Now, if that is not, I would like you to do, before you guys start sending stuff over to technical support, do 2 things for me. 1, make sure you go through this video, do the update, and by the way, the update has the 4K layout for yourself, so it doesn't matter what layout you have, you should be able to grab our charts, move them around the way that you want them, and hit save. Should be a quick update. Also, the sounds. You are no longer going to have to update the sounds like you've had to in the past. Those are automatically going to be done for you because we have Algo Voice now, and the 4K one has all of the instruments that we typically trade, except for crude oil and gold. If you want the crude oil and gold ones, you want to use the templates applied so that you can automatically have Algo Voice will automatically adjust for you on crude or gold or any other instrument out there that is using the AI sounds that will detect what instrument is on the chart, and it will do that for you now. That is brand new to the latest release, so take a peek at that. Now, Step 2, what I would like you to do, come up here into announcements. I put this in the announcements section in the Discord, right up here, announcements. And again, do the update. And secondarily, if you are still having issues after you've done the update, please run this. Okay? Walk through this video. It's a quick video. It's like 3 minutes long. Do the updates in this. This will show you how to kind of fix basically almost anything. If there's any issues with NinjaTrader, it kind of clears out, cleans out everything. Go right there. And thirdly, if you are a person using a third party, anything, okay, anything outside of NinjaTrader. Now, most of these are come to be a lot of individuals are using the Apex Trader software or doing the Apex Trader funding, which is using the connection called RTrader. Okay, if you are using the RTrader stuff, these things are known. We know we have compatibility issues with this because they are using old versions of a third party component. Okay, it's not us. We're using the most updated one, but it is not backwards compatible. Well, they are not forwards compatible. We are backwards compatible. So if you install our system after theirs, everything is fine. So here's what I'm trying to tell you. So you need to, in your steps, if you are installing some other third party like Apex or whatever, okay, install the third party first. Okay, get your everything set up properly. Secondarily, install Algobox. Apologize for my terrible writing with a mouse here on my little blackboard, but you guys understand this? Third party first, because if you are having issues, what happens is if you install a third party after hours, okay, right here, so we install the latest, okay, of the third party components that are necessary, and then you install theirs. Now you install the old one, which is not forward compatible with Algobox. So if you start getting a license error issue or some other thing like that, it is the compatibility issue that they, I would love for all the third parties to be forced to update and upgrade. And we are on the bleeding edge of things, as we typically are. We move fast, break things, but that is why we have the edge. So stay in tune with that. All right, try to make this one quick here this morning. Hopefully you guys are ready. It is Tuesday. The rest of the week is going to be a blast. VIX up, ticks up. If you guys have any questions, hit us up over there. After you have done these steps, if you're still having issues, technical support. Some people don't know that there's a technical support room. I know we've got a lot of rooms over here on the left, but they are all, I think they're all important. So scroll down here, you'll notice a color shift change. See these little dots? So we've got the orange ones. This is education. You come into the purple section. Now you're getting into the spot where we want it. Trader feedback. And right under that, you've got blue right down here. See the blue tech support? All the blue bubbles are tech support related items or things that will, working around technical things around NinjaTrader, sound files, all that kind of stuff, getting the small account challenge replay data, all that stuff is down here. And here is that technical support room. I see that there are already people, there's a lot of people in technical support here this morning. And that's why I want to put out this video. Hopefully this will cover a lot of the issues that are going on, the questions. But if you're still having an issue, drop in here technical support, drop us a line. Please include a screenshot of any errors that you're getting, and we will get you set up as quickly as possible. Thanks again for hanging out. I will see you guys on the flip side.